आवाज आ रहा है? राम भाई। हाँ हाँ, अभी आ रहा है। Just give me a moment, guys. Let me just put this
Let's cover one of our
on my
10 pro
social media
tips.
platform. Yeah, this is good. Can you hear me, right? Okay, okay. Alright, sure. Like like lofi beats. It will be perfect. I also do that. I'll be giving you one. Don't worry. Okay. I'm from India, bro. Just keep basic. Hold on. Check your. Yeah, okay. We do have like a way to good, low resist liquidity at and Q when expecting lower price action. This is true. अच्छा अच्छा स्ट्रीम लैब से नहीं कर रहा है क्या? स्ट्रीम लैब से कर रहा है ओबीएस से कर रहा है स्ट्रीमिंग स्ट्रीम लैब से तो हो जाता है तेरा भी आवाज आ रहा है मेरा भी आ रहा है मैंने तो ऐसे कर रखा है बैकग्राउंड भी चल रहा है अच्छा 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 कि हाँ समझ गया हाँ। मेरे को तो आ जाता है पीसी से वॉल्यूम आ जाता है मेरा माइक ही कनेक्टेड है एक सेकंड में Don't you think like NQ is laggy asset today? The mid one. Yep. Yep. Mhm. I'll wait for the 10 a.m. Like YM in ES, have you seen ES like it went fully down and it's way too close. This lows 1800. We do have SMT with ES and NQ down constant stationary. At 4 hour. Mhm. Even YM is lagging today. ES like became the strongest one today. So, see gold and silver.
There is a lot about
Crazy dumb, bro. Mhm. We do have a news. Oh, we don't have any news. This Friday we do have NFP. Yeah, NFP. Straight down. Yeah, yeah. Gold is dumping, silver is dumping too. Oh, hmm. Oh, honestly, like 9:45 to not fully. If 9:45 push down, it takes. So we do have a lot of space for the downside. Yep. So looking at 4 hour, right? Same. Bro, this feel like 200 points, bro. Yeah, 35. There's that thing. Mhm.
Bro, my mic was off all this time, like in YouTube.
No,
Mic was off
no,
all this time in
it
YouTube.
was on.
No, it was off actually. Shit.
It was
No.
on. So
So
what?
what it was happening is my desktop you the people who are hearing it is you guys are hearing it from echoed voice like from Discord. It is bouncing back. It is not directly, but the what Rahul Bhaiya is hearing is from directly from a mic. I just on my mic actually. It was not on actually before. Oh, let me add my story, bro. Let people come. Let people come and join.
Let me see gold, silver once again. Like I was so expecting for this low side liquidity. This was my DL for the price action. It was like 1800 Saturday, 31st of May. It was my draw at silver, and we have already taken this switch and continue downside.
We need retracement, guys. Without retracement, no trades. No retracement, no
Are
trades.
you still expecting something like? Do you still expect anything like failure swings and all? I don't see
Sorry,
any.
any reversals from here?
Are you, yeah, like what's your draw
So,
now? I can't
if
see
it
any.
wants if it wants to reverse, I want this 15-minute fair value cap in NQ to get inversed, and then I can look for all-time highs again.
Fair
So
enough.
that's my invalidation point, or else I'll be sticking to the bearish projection. I think I added a story. Let me check. I have to skip it once, or else it will be like yesterday.
It open right here.
That's good.
I do find that we haven't taken out a low at ES, which created, like failure swings equal lows down lower.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's check at
Yes.
4 hour maybe. Yeah.
Yes, I
So
said it
now
before, like
that could
572, we
be
can target till 572. Some really good
uh-huh.
allocation for discretion. Yeah, yeah. Obviously, bro. Hafiz is a goat. Hafiz and Garrett, both of them are like, I like Garrett is okay, but Hafiz is, bro. He does it very perfectly. All his videos are raw, unedited. No, some of the best videos I saw so far, unedited, and like you can get a lot of things from his videos. So as expected, we are about to inverse this, and we have these low to target. I've been watching his all videos, and it made my reading more clear. Yeah, yeah. Even I improved myself a lot from watching of his videos. Another 2 minutes. So if we want to flush further, we have to have some kind of cracking correlation and then flush lower, because we cleared some important liquidity here in both the
Mm.
assets. Like if you see, we cleared in yes, we cleared in this equal lows actually, which is very important level for me. So so after clearing the important liquidity level, the price enters some kind of new phase of delivery. So I think we should get a retracement instead of this 15-minute. So consolidation, expansion, and retracement, and then continuation. So I'm expecting this to happen. So if it wants to push lower, it should just keep on pushing lower from this 15-minute, or else we need some strength switch to push it more lower. Without strength switch, I don't think so. We should look for anything here. ES is getting slower here, but that's not enough actually. That will not prove any kind of strength switch here. Only thing we can have is the 4 hour, the 4 hour SMT with previous candle, when that is good, which will set our high of the day, and then we can flush lower rest of the day. We also do have this SMT though, but
We're about to open 10 a.m. Like 1 minute.
yeah.
We don't have any news today.
So if it wants to reverse, if you want to catch any reversal from here, because we haven't yet taken any of these important lows in NQ. So like if you want to say that we might form a SMT and then reverse from here, that because we are leaving these equal highs up as well, then even that can happen. But for that to happen, for me, I have to inverse. We have to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, or else I'm just staying bearish. Okay, so 5 minute looking good. As I was waiting for this tap in 15-minute fair value gap, and what I was expecting is if we tap this 15-minute fair value gap in ES, we might get some kind of crack and correlation here, and then we can push lower in NQ, can trade it this way. But for that to happen, ES should come and tap this fair value gap. Let me just log in my account, guys. We need to get this tap, or else I don't know, like if I'm going to take any trade or not. What is why I'm doing, bro? Why I'm is pushing lower, but we
Why we
tap
shit for the day,
this.
bro?
Yeah, even YM has good drawdown here.
Mhm.
But I want to ES to tap instead of this 15-minute fair value gap. We have
I don't see any clear structure at YM, but if I go to 5 minute, I see a fair value gap.
Yeah, we do have fair value gap in
Maybe we can
5 minutes.
reverse from.
But bro, I can't trade YM in my deep chats. That shit. If I want to
Yeah.
take, I have to take it in my PA, my another account.
Mhm. Got that.
Looks good though. Oh,
YM looks good. One.
I shouldn't. Bro. Okay. I just try it on my PA. Let me wait. Have to wait. If I don't get this changes of Larry, then that's not a good sign for me to take. What's NQ doing? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Something interesting here. So now we might get this SMT. To get this SMT, we have to confirm that SMT, we have to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap for me. Or else I'm again like still staying bearish. Still doing. Get here. We took previous day low, and we haven't yet taken these lows here. So a lot of divergence here. A lot of divergence actually. What's gold doing? Haven't given me that changes it of delivery watch which I wanted to see. Again, I don't want to see such a deep retracement, bro. That's not what I wanted. It is we got a strength switch here. Like we can't trade it bearish anymore. That's what I think. Or else it will get stuck into a chop. No, no, gold is not tradable for me. That's what I feel. So go to the 4 hour. What is this sudden drop in 4 hour, bro? Out of nowhere. In oil.
Oh, yeah, wing oils.
This sell-off
Mm,
is a
I
little
also got
confusing.
that.
I guess overall we are bullish, and maybe this is just a manipulation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For that to confirm, I need this inversion, or else I'm just like until I'm getting this inversion or a good confirmation back lower, I'm just doing nothing. I'm just watching the markets. You know, can't do anything. We can't decide anything at this point because we haven't yet tapped this fair value gap, and I don't know, we are not even pushing higher. We are just staying in between. So I guess just letting it do its thing.
It seems that like NQ is most likely to fill this fair value gap.
Yeah, whichever. We just need a good
So,
track and correlation there. That is the thing.
yep, yep, yep.
We haven't yet done it in any of the asset, like not even in NQ, not even in ES. If NQ taps that, oh, I think we got tap in NQ. No, not yet.
By looking at no, no, no. At mini chart, you will not find that. We haven't tapped.
Even not even in micros, bro. And I'm not leaving
Okay.
this. I'm not trading away from it without a tap. We don't even have tap in 5 minutes, so I don't think so. It's safe to trade without tap. And ES have a failure swings up
Just
there,
wait,
so
bro.
that's a
Okay.
problem. In 1 minute, if you can see, ES is not looking good at all with those failure swings
Oh,
up there. So just waiting.
yeah. Mhm.
I could be wrong, but it is kind of predictable. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some is all-time high is obvious, but for that to confirm, I want this 15-minute to inverse. So once this inverses, we have a lot of room up to trade in S&P and other assets. So we have this bullish PDR is getting respected here in NQ. Good sign for predicting a price in bullish, but we haven't yet tapped in this 15-minute fair value gap. So that might be the reason why it's supporting bullish PDR is. Once we get a tap, okay, we got tap there. We can flush lower with this crack and correlation. And now I'm not going to definitely take on this changes state of delivery because This is some kind of catching reversal, lower time frame reversal for me. I'll wait for another confirmation, like at least this inversion to go lower because we have a lot of room down there. So I want to take more confirmed entry, I would say. Make sure to hit the like, guys. We need more likes for for us to push or what do you say live streams. As we cleared,
Both the assets pushed to this fair value gap. Let me see, bro. Still
it looks like we are going to all time highs because
most likely.
yeah, yep. I had to do this. I had to do this, guys, because a lot of people come watch my live streams and they don't even subscribe to my channel.
Mhm.
Looking for gold, looking good for shorts. No, no, not at all, because as indices are turning and look at the strength switch. Even though we had a good dump in both the assets, silver managed to push. Silver managed to close this 4 hour bearish, but gold is not willing to push. Willing to close it bearish. So I think this is some kind of strength switch. We will push higher. We'll go back in range as I was talking about the range we were staying in 4 hour. So I don't think so. We'll push lower in gold. That's not my thing. Like I don't want to short it here from such a dump and such a deep pullback instead of this fair value gap like in 15 minutes. So I don't think so. I don't want to short it there in gold. We have good assets to trade. Why to move in gold? No. If it worses, we'll look for higher prices. The NQ is pushing good and ES is lagging. So let's see. We'll form another 30-minute in ES if it wants to push lower. Like I don't know, like if NQ closes this gap, then definitely we'll look for longs in NQ. Another 8 seconds, another 2 seconds. Come on, new candle open. Yeah, NQ is pushing hard, bro.
I like the close if he wants to continue higher. The Stanium close looks good.
We're
Maybe
having
this
this.
945 could be the low of the day
Yeah, yeah,
at NQ. Do you think so? Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Like I would say the 6 a.m. will be the low of the day. When like I would look at it like 4 hour profiling point of view. But we need
Mhm.
for that everything to confirm. We need this 15-minute confirmation, which will be inversing this 15-minute fair value gap for me. So yeah. So there's another small fair value gap, the 3-minute fair value gap here. So what is 5 minute doing? We inverse this small 5 minute inversion here in NQ, but we are still staying inside of 5 minute inversion in ES. So this is looking
We are
good, but
getting respected by bullish video arrays.
yeah, this is looking good in ES, but
Mhm.
we can't just take trade here. Like, bro, where will you keep your stop? Here, here? No, we can't. No, it's difficult for us to get to our. We can get to our till that high, but that's okay. We have. We'll wait. We'll wait. That's better. Wait. We'll wait. We'll have our trade in a better position with good, you know, good RR, like uh, manageable point. We'll place ourselves in a good point. That's what I mean.
The only thing that is preventing me to take longs is this low at ES 572. That's the concerning part
572
for me. Or else I
low,
could have,
572 low.
yeah.
In what time frame?
Mhm. Go with 4 hour.
Our 572.
Absolutely. Mm. At ES, not
Oh,
NQ.
yes,
ES.
bro.
Always fine to get NQ.
572. This low, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I
I've
was
already
talking
marked.
about this
Yeah,
low
yeah.
before.
That's the concerning thing. This is only the
But anyways,
concerning thing for
we
me
are
right
at
now.
all time highs. We are at all time highs. So like, let's see what we got here. Like, yes is turning out again. Yes is turning bearish again,
Mm.
and looks good. But Yankee wants to push higher.
That's the thing.
That's a problem. Yeah. If NQ is consolidating in lower time frame, we can consider bearish in ES, but I don't know. We'll wait for strength switch. We will get strength switch in another couple of minutes. Like if NQ wants to push higher, then NQ will leave a 15-minute bullish closure. We might get strength switch there, and we can just look for bearish. Like we just need some Kraken correlation to confirm bearish projection. Without Kraken correlation, it's difficult for us to consider ES going bearish because NQ is already pushing higher. So we can't say anything on that. You know, it's difficult to say.
We're waiting, bro. There is nothing here right now for taking anything.
This 1 minute consolidation we are having here. We need to get out of this consolidation to consider we are gonna push higher, or else then we can consider it, you know, pushing back again lower because ES wants to push lower actually. See, see. For 30 minute to confirm a PSP in 30 minute, we have to wait another 15 minutes. That's the problem. Like if you see 30 minute looks so bullish in NQ, but yes, we're not that bullish. Like we can flip it in couple of minutes. So if you are waiting for this to
Mm.
close, then we have to wait another 7 to 8 minutes for it for that to happen. And again, that will be a more good confirmation for us to go bearish. You know, because it will form some kind of PSP, and then we can look for lower prices. And look at the NQ. We are consolidating right now. So this is not a good sign for us. Consolidating inside of some fair value gap is not at all a good sign. We have to get out of that range with good push outside of that range, basically. Yeah. We inverted this 3 minute and then we rebalanced it and then we are pushing higher in NQ. What do we have?
Yes is
Uh,
yes
oh,
is going lower with that 1 minute fair value gap.
yeah. Let's see. Let's
Mm.
wait for this 3 minute change in state of delivery in ES. Have we got that? 3 minute change in state of delivery in ES. And let's wait for NQ to turn out here.
Not a
I don't know
not a
why this
proper
NQ
change in
doing.
state of delivery, bro.
I don't know why this NQ doing this barcode shit in 1 minute. But if you see NQ in 1 minute, it's not at all. Uh, it's not at all good, bro.
Yeah.
It's not at all good. That should not happen.
Have you seen ES doing the same shit? It's doing the same shit at ES.
Yeah, NQ have to flip for us to confirm that yes, wanna push lower, or else we are staying neutral for now. Neutral. Neutral, buddy. Neutral. I have another 15 days to pass my account. Another account. Deep charts, guys. Another account which I have been handling in deep charts. So I have another 15 days to pass it. I had a good trade on 950. Yeah, but that's not when we trade, bro. 950. Even though we even had a good trade in NQ before our 10 a.m. Look at this. Look at this short here. Look at this short here in ES. I did market with this Kraken correlation. This would have been, bro, beautiful shot. Very beautiful shot. But I had a bit of confusion, so I just stayed away. Like I don't wanna uh you know I don't wanna mess it up and say that I didn't take it on 10 a.m. Yeah, 950. But I was not looking YM that time. 950. Yeah, I marked it as well. See here. Marked it. We marked it. I even logged in my account to take this trade. But NQ and ES were stuck, so I was looking for more confirmation. Did we clear? We clear some of this. We are getting retracement. Look at this. Would have had our SL up here and then would have taken this 2 hour, but that's fine. They will miss a lot of things. So no need to worry about that. But I can't trade YM in my deep charts, bro. Easily, that was the reason why I missed it. I think I logged in my PA account to take the
Oh,
trade. If you want to see, I logged in my PA account to take the trade, but
bro, I just put my, like I put my RR to that 1:2, and I got my ATP hit.
oh, nice,
Eventually, when I was talking about that, bro.
nice,
Yeah,
nice, nice.
I haven't took that, but if I had,
I can't trade YM in deep
definitely.
charts. They don't allow. I don't know why they are not allowing me to trade in deep charts. Wait, we will wait. We will wait. We will wait, guys. How much time do we have? Another minute for 30 minutes to close. I don't know if we'll see that strength switch. We are just consolidating here, nothing else. Still in Bangalore or went to hometown? I came back to hometown, bro. I came back to hometown. What do I do in Bangalore if I don't have any work there? It's just a waste of money and stuff. Okay, we are having one stage forming here in another 45 seconds, if I'm not wrong. But this is this a valid to consider? That's my question. I guess you're working side
Hmm.
by.
Okay, we have created that.
I guess you're working side by. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, bro. Who will leave their job, bro? I'm not going to, quit my job until I'm making 1K a month at least. At least. Okay, 15 minute. If you look at the 15 minute, Okay. Okay, we came out of this range with a good
Oh,
displacement here, and we inversed this entire block of inversion, like fair value gap. Now we need a gap to enter here. We need a gap to enter. Then Q, E mini, micro, E mini, Nasdaq, futures. I'm looking for longs in NQ. Okay, we do have a gap.
we do have a PSP at 5 and this city expansion.
Two
Let's see,
are
bro.
okay with two contracts. That's fine for me. Okay, we are in, guys. We are in here. Actually, we got that tab. We'll have to.
Order filled.
Messed up. Just messed up. Where will be our GP? GP will be at the highs. Let's wait. Ah, to push for that highs now. We'll go break even if we clear this high.
My SL is too tight, bro. Shit, man. I should be entering with micros,
Yeah,
got in with mini.
I'll never switch to micros, bro. I'll never switch to BDs, sorry. Not in 50k account until I build enough buffer.
Mhm.
But big size is too big. Look at the 15-minute candle we just opened. The gold is not looking good to me, to be honest. So I'm just staying away from gold. As indices are pumping higher, so I don't think so. We should do anything in gold. I'm just staying away. Like even if it goes without me, I'm okay with that. But I'm just sticking with my plan. Don't wanna mess around with gold because gold is being way more uh, in range recently, like since some days. So this is good. We consolidated a little bit. We got out of this range with a good displacement with this beautiful gap. So I'm expecting it to push higher. But let's see if we can get that push. Okay, I'm okay with 300. I'm looking for 300 here. I'll
Chill.
target these highs.
Bro, my SL is about to go, bro. Shit, man. Never mind. 935 to push higher, expecting that too. See, bro.
3 minute, we got that 3 minute tap, changes it off every tap. We need to see push higher. We don't want this 1 minute to inverse, get inversed, bro.
That's the thing.
I'm risking 150, I think, maybe in my PA. This is my PA, so that is the reason I'm risking. Okay, 170. That's fine. Taking 170 on this PA and 250, I think, 250, 260 on my eval. So let's see.
Nah, bro. I got my I should have put at this lows. I knew it, bro. It's okay. Give it another
No, I
shot.
think even we can get reversal
Yeah.
from there at that point because ES is turning. So we're kind of reversing from fair value gap in ES. So that's the point. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's hold it. Okay. Straight dump. Yeah, bro. Gold is not what we want to look for. Okay. Yeah, take us out. Take us out. Come on. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap here. What the fuck is this, bro? What the fuck is
You got
this?
to step
What did
out.
I see? What did I see? What did I see? No, by I like I got saved by a tick. I don't know. It can still stop me out, but uh, let's see. Okay, sir. Give us a pump. Even I was like I was not thinking of closing it manually, but hell no, bro. Look at that. We saved ourselves by a tick. Market saved us by a tick. I don't know. I might be lucky, but let's hold it now. See what do we have in 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's see, let's see. That was so
Let
shit,
me
bro.
enter with
Like,
5 micros, bro.
uh,
Bro, what?
yeah, the good V-shape
20, bro.
recovery there. We need a good push higher, but let's see if we can get that push higher.
Okay, I'm in again, bro. I like this.
Should have entered on this fair value gap. We'll go break even on this yellow line because that's the intermediate high we are having, which is around 737. 737. Here we go. 737. 3 minutes. Why would you wait it for 3 minutes? Like you're asking me why didn't you wait for 3 minutes change instead of delivery? Because we had a 15-minute consolidation and good displacement out of it. So like sorry, 1 minute consolidation and good displacement out of it. Oh, not you. Wait, okay. My bad. I thought you were talking with me. Just make sure to mention their name. I thought you were talking with me because there are very less people who watch my live stream. So I always assume that you guys are talking with me. The other guy, yeah, the NJ.
Me? Oh, okay. You're talking with me.
He is
I
asking you
waited for
why
3 minutes. Yes,
didn't
yes.
you wait for 3 minutes CST? Well, you did take that
Mhm.
re-entry, row, so he was asking for like he is asking, why didn't you wait for 3 minutes change instead of delivery?
Like the way I got this V-type signal, like V-type recovery instant, I should have put my SL here if I have been with my mini contracts. The reason why I took this because I like, like this move as we're inversing this 15 minutes fair value gap.
Yeah,
There is
it's
a
not
less chance
something
that
like
okay,
more mechanically, uh, like it's not something
mm,
like mechanical. Shit, we are on anyways pushing higher. It looks like we are anyways pushing higher, so I think he might have taken it on this 1 minute candle reaction, maybe. We need a like good push higher, bro. What's ES? ES is kind of struggling very much to push higher. I want ES to turn and push higher. That will help us a lot to push NQ further. For NQ, we had a good what do you say inversion in like all the time frame in 5 minutes, 3 minute, and even we are about to inverse in 15 minute. So again, we can get another like next 15 minute good push because the current 15 minute we have a long wick formed, so that's not a good favorable condition. We have to wait for next 15 minute to get a good push higher. We That's nothing like we have to wait for another 2 minutes. So let's wait for that another 2 minutes to get a good push higher there. This big wick probably will not support expand. It will not support expansion. We have to wait for another 2 minutes for a new candle to open and then push higher for good
mm,
expansion there. You know. Okay. Okay. We are about to reach that. What do you say? Our break-even level 737, and once we reach that 737, we are zeroing our risk there. Okay, guys. We are coming break-even.
I'll be just
We are going break-even there.
not for
Uh,
break even.
Zero risk from shit ton of drawdown what we had here to zero risk. Now, if it stops me out here, I'm totally fine because we had almost stopped ourselves on this trade. So now we are at safe zone. So let's see if we can get a push or get stopped out. Anyhow, we have our next candle. We have next candle opportunity to trade. Like we can trade next candle, 15-minute candle.
Order filled.
Okay, I got stopped out on my eval because I got a little bit of late entry on my eval. So I got stopped out on my eval. I'm still holding on my PA as you guys can see here. So probably I might get stopped out here as well. But let's see. Let's hope for the good. Let's go. Okay. We got stopped out. Break even there. Break even. Very beautiful trade. Very good trade. Very good trade management. Break even because of this candle wick, which is not good at all. A very good decision to come break even on this high new candle open instead of this fair value gap. So now let's see. I might re-enter again. Okay. So let's see. So risk is off totally. Like there was no risk at all on previous trade. We had forming this Kraken correlation inside of this 1 minute fair value gap. So let's hope for a good push higher here. Again, if we long it here, keeping our stops here and targeting for 2 hour, how much contracts we should have to place? 3 contracts for 200. Okay, sir. That's okay. But let's wait for us to get that change in state of delivery. No change in state of delivery, no trade.
That ES is struggling to push higher,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and
Yes, will
Q
struggle to
seems
push higher. Yes, is a
Q seems
weaker asset today. I am looking for this long. If we get that change in state of delivery, do we have gap down here, bro? We have a small gap down here. 15 minute unfilled, and this 15 minute is not yet invoiced totally. So if we get this 1 minute, then we will get that 15 minute inversion. Or else we have to wait for this 15 minute tap, which will again, it's kind of coming back in range. This consolidation range, what we are inside of. So
this 1 minute fair value gap should be inversing. See this respect. If this is like my SL is gone, I just minimize my SL. So yeah, half of my SL
you're,
will be
you're
going.
still holding that trade?
It's completely fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
14 minute gap fill, 15 minute gap fill.
Nah, bro, this is good. Yeah, I got to open 11 a.m. Couple of minutes.
Yeah, now just forget about this long, bro. If we get this change in state of delivery, then just forget about this long, and we have to wait for this 15 minute tap till these lows,
The close, bro.
till these
Doesn't
lows.
looks good. Come on, SL right here.
Very short
Issue
term,
shit.
short we can take this low if we get this. I Okay, we are trying this short till 15 minute unfilled. Bro, wait, don't, because you're looking for longs, right? Yeah, I was looking for longs, but we have 15 minute unfilled down here, unfilled fair value gap. So once we tap that 15 minute unfilled fair value gap, again we can look for longs again from there. So we'll go break even once we reach this low. So for that push lower, and ES is weaker as well. So why don't why don't we try this? Like, oh, that's a valid sell there. Got reach, break even there. risk free on that trade. Now, if it gives
Would
me a
have
break
taken this
even,
trade, bro.
it's totally fine. If it gets me out at break even, 2 hour, 2 hour, baby, come on, baby, 2 hour, baby, come on, give us 2 hour. We tap that 15-minute fair value gap. Bro, just a little more push. Just a little more push. Hell no, bro. Hell no, bro. Shit. Flip it, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just, we missed it by a tick, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I would have booked 300 as I was targeting in my PS, but whatever. 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 What the fuck? Okay. Okay. I'll take it. What the fuck was that? Shit. Shit, bro. That was beautiful trade actually. Far moment. Yeah, far moment. Actual far moment.
Ah, moment, bro.
Actual far moment. I missed it by a tick, literally. राहुल भैया देखे आप उसको बहन चोद बहन चोद वाला मोमेंट बहन चोद kind of thing. Bro, that was very good trade actually. Like 15-minute unfilled. Bro, it was just stick away. Far moment. Literally, it was just a tick away. I know it will like flush again maybe, but so ES
I'm
is
not taking
turning.
any trades again, bro. Then
ES is
okay.
turning bearish.
Would have
Okay,
taken it, yes, bro. Yeah.
ES is turning bearish. ES is weaker asset. So I was somewhere, I have somewhere in my mind that NQ wants to push higher. So that is the reason I just took it in NQ and fill this 15-minute fair value gap because there is something to target in NQ, right?
That's
And it was a good trade actually. It was a good target where the 15-minute gap was, but it was me where
it.
I just missed it by a tick. So so again that's totally fine. It's fine. Things happen. So whatever. It
It
was a good
like
trade
happened
though.
with the stop loss on your TP as well. But
Yeah. Have this 3-minute inversion. Sorry, 3-minute change instead of delivery, but not as we are not looking for bearish. I'm just ignoring that 3-minute change instead of delivery. We have 1 hour FUG will form on. Yes, I guess what would be your thoughts on that? 1 hour FUG again, slow price action, bro. Like again, we'll try to move inside of this fair value gap. Again, we'll get a lower time frame chop if this will not flip, and then that's the thing. That's the thing. We'll get definitely a chop shit again if it didn't give us a good move. Oh, we got a good new subscriber. I think. Nima, never see you, bro. I never seen you before here. Never seen you before here. We are waiting. We have in
what
5
YM is
minutes.
doing, bro.
What is why I'm doing actually? Why I might be flushing lower. No, it's chopping, bro.
Nah,
Why am I in a chop?
stop
Why
it.
am I in a chop? Why am I in a chop?
Shit projection, bro. There is nothing like way the lows are way too low at the range. Nah. I think YM will start to chop what RTY is doing. Nah, it's back inside the
God.
range. Shit, shit.
How many years you are in trading? 3 plus? 3 plus years, bro. In another 3 minutes, the 1 hour new candle will open. So yes, looks like it's way more bigger. But I don't know about NQ. NQ is just showing some strong sign here to push higher. Let's wait. That's the only thing we can do. Nothing here for me. Okay, we are getting good displacement. 3 minutes. I'll wait for next 1 hour candle to open. Or if the 15-minute FVG inverses, then we are done for the day. Like bullish inversion you're talking about? This this is not yet inversed. Just remove all my drawings there. This 15 minutes. Yeah, this is actually a good sign to look for bearish price action again as ES wants to push bearish. See, let me tell you one thing. Like, if ES will close this 1 hour, where is that 1 hour? Yeah, if ES closes this 1 hour bearish and then NQ fails to close this 1 hour bearish, then I'll look for uh bearish price action like bearish trades in ES. But I don't know like if we will close that bearish in another 30 seconds. But let's hope for that to happen. But at least we'll get a good confirmation here in NQ. Yes, because price is respecting bullish FEG and if yeah, even I'm looking for that, but I don't know if we are getting that inversion or not. So now we didn't get that inversion here in NQ. This is a problem again. for us to look for bearish. So we do have this SMT with ES. And C2 closure as well. Let's see, do we have any stance switch in here? No stance switch at all. At all. Let's see if we can get this change in state of delivery to push higher. No change in state of delivery there. We did. We need to wait, guys. We will wait. Wait for us to get this change in state of delivery and then look for this 2R. Okay, bro. No worries. SMT instead of key level. That push higher. Looking good though. No change in state of delivery yet. No change in state of delivery yet. I don't know, like until we get that change in state of delivery, we might miss that, bro. For sure. If we miss that, we'll catch it up on next one. Like that's the thing. We can't just mark like do it at the peak reversal there, which is a bit difficult to trade. We'll catch up on continuations if we don't get a displacement and don't get that actual reversal what we wanted. $6 loss, that's totally fine. 14 seconds. We can get that pump higher. Not a good displacement, bro. Not a good displacement. Not a good displacement. I'll wait. Okay, 3 minute looks perfect though. 3 minute looks perfect. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. 3 minute looks perfect for me. Didn't punch it on my evals, bro.
Order filled.
Let's wait for this 3 minute to push higher. Very, very stressful and very long day. A good displacement in 1 minute. But 3 minute was looking good though. Bro, ES is flushing like hell, bro. At the 3 minute, you have the 3 minute tiny fair value gap here to hold the price, push higher. Yeah, we will. Bro, just just fuck it. I don't want to just trade
Order
inside
filled.
like in some shit range like this. Just do its thing. I this confirmation is was not enough for me. Like this is not a good displacement. It was not much of a higher displacement there. Like I don't want to hold this. If it wants to push higher, this was a not drawdown. At least I would have not seen this much of drawdown to push it higher. ES wants to push lower, and NQ even after pushing this much higher, we didn't uh, push it. So instead of going bullish, I think might try bearish here. That would be the good option to do. Mm. Yeah, let's wait. I don't want to just get stuck in this range, bro. Even though 1 hour was looking good, but look at the 30 minute, like look at the 15 minute, very strong upper week, like very long upper week, and years totally decoupled, wants to push lower. In NQ is staying inside of range. When I want, sorry, when if I want to try anything,
Bro, I'm back, guys. Was so done with this shit, bro. We are still in a range, doing nothing out of here.
let's let it do its thing. We did get 1 minute, like we did get good reaction from this 3 minute, and we are at least we need this 1 minute displacement out of this range to take trade. We do have this change state of delivery, but I don't know, like we can't rest 1 minute change state of delivery at this point what we are chopping here. So we are not continuing anywhere, like we are not getting anywhere. So $40 loss, that's totally fine, not a big deal. So this was the reason I was not trusting this. We don't need this such a deep retracements to trade. Even if even if it's pushes, I don't care. That's not a scenario what I would be looking for. all the time. I just need a tap and then push higher. That's what I'll be looking for. 3 minute looking good, turning out well. Propulsion block here. Displacement, we are getting out of this range. Get to our
Alright, bro. I should be done for the day, bro. I'm not looking at the charts anymore. Like,
yeah.
become shit after this jump. It literally becomes shit after this jump, bro. There's nothing here. Alright.
Now if we can get this gap, then
Let me just end my stream.
okay. Heavier on my limits here. If we get that tap on this propulsion block. Okay, we got our tap.
Order filled.
Got my EVAs as well. Still will be go here. Let's hold it now. Our trading strategy is only ICT concepts or anything else. Only ICT, bro. Only ICT. Nothing else. Come on, buddy. This 3 minute. Change the setup delivery twice. Should be getting out of this range. Come on. Should be getting out of this range. What the shitty wicks we are forming in 3 minute, bro? What do you guys think on that? Like another 41 seconds to close 15-minute candle. Either we should get ठीक है. Either we should get a straightaway pump or else taking us out and then pumping higher here. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. 12 seconds. Let's be ready for getting stopped out, guys. Like, okay, be ready. Be ready. Flip, straight dump, taking all of this low resistance. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, do something. Move either way, bro. Come on. Do something, bro. Come on. Yes, sir. As expected. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we expected. We getting stopped out on my evals done and on my PA. Okay, guys. That's it. Done for the day. We took one loss. Actually, that's totally fine. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think yes, you guys want to talk about pre-market expansion, 10 a.m. consolidation. That's what we had today. Nothing, bro. We are stuck in a range. What do you think? What do you think we had bias, bro? Look at this. What do you think we had bias? 9:30 open, push lower, and come back in range. What do you think? This bias is. Is it a bullish or bearish? What do you think? Now this motherfucker stopped us out and yeah. Listen, bro. Listen. That's a plan. Again, we are chopping inside of this range, and we are already inside of this range. So just to chop, nothing else. So even ES range and range again. Same here, bro. No direction at all. Yes. Because we had a lot of divergence before the market open, but we tried couple of like we tried two trades. One trade was so good. We almost hit that TP, but we got out at break even anyways. But that's totally fine. It's totally fine. It's okay to have uh such trades. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are going live every day here. So yeah, bye bye, guys.